Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming iCloud photos and the right Apple ID because syncing uses your iCloud library. Once done, connect both iPhones to reliable Wi-Fi and power to avoid interruptions. Large libraries can stall. If you prefer device-to-device, unlock both and enable Bluetooth for quick start. Now open Settings Photos and toggle iCloud Photos on the receiving phone, so new items will merge automatically. This begins the sync process without waiting for manual exports. Now focus on how you want the photos merged. If using iCloud and signed into the same Apple ID, pick Merge to keep both libraries. Pick Replace only if you want to overwrite. If you need selective transfer, use AirDrop. Open Photos, select items, tap Share and choose the other iPhone. AirDrop is faster for grouped batches and preserves full resolution. Make sure your iCloud storage covers the combined library size, otherwise the sync will pause, and you'll need to upgrade or free space before continuing. Finish by verifying that all albums and moments appear on the other iPhone. Photos may still index for a while as items process. If syncing stalls, try toggling iCloud photos off and back on, then reconnect Wi-Fi and power. This forces a fresh sync. If you see duplicates or missing items, sign out of your Apple ID on the affected device and sign back in, because credentials sometimes block iCloud updates. And one key tip: check iCloud storage first. Lack of space is the most common cause of failed sync.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.